The state is trying to figure out why we're seeing lower numbers of COVID cases, but also lower numbers of people getting tested.
We've been talking to everyone we can, figuring out what is happening with testing.
Lieutenant Governor Spencer Cox toured the state lab to get an update on COVID-19 testing.
There is real optimism amongst epidemiologists, the testing people, the professionals, that we really have turned a corner. That the mask wearing, which we've seen a significant increase in mask wearing, people social distancing, that we have come off our peaks and we're heading on the downtrend, and we want to keep that rolling.
Statewide, healthcare providers are seeing fewer people showing up to get a test.
We're down about 15 to 20%. Depending on the area.
We're just not seeing the lines and the waits form like we were in mid-July.
They're still looking for possible explanations.
I don't know if we see this much of a decline this acutely, but that could be because we didn't travel earlier in the summer season. The other reason may be that people are, fatigued. They may have test fatigue, and especially if you have mild symptoms, you might be saying to yourself at this point, it's not worth it for me to go in.
There's also some evidence mask mandates are working. While cases are declining, the numbers of those testing positive are about 10%. That means many of those who are showing up to get a test actually have COVID.
What I believe is that there's just fewer symptomatic patients needing to be tested.
Healthcare companies say they haven't reduced testing availability, and anyone with symptoms should get one. The lieutenant governor says the states also work to speed up getting test results.
We have no backlogs here now. They've worked through that, but we want to be ready for the future. So now that we can double the testing capacity in this lab over the next few weeks in case we do have another surge.
The state is also preparing for a possible surge as kids return to school and more people go back to work. In Salt Lake City, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.